Now your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So we look at an air temperature of 75 degrees and a dew point of 74. We have some fair weather clouds out there, but nothing in the way of any kind of rain showers, even approaching our area. 75 degrees, Wauchula, Arcadia at 74, 73, Myakka, Northport at 73, Venice at 74, Bradenton at 75. Few scattered showers over on the other coast, but they quickly die out as they make it on shore. Once you get rid of the water supply, these showers being so low topped have nothing to support themselves, so they just fizzle out. Locally, we don't expect to see much in the way of rainfall at any time today, be it the morning or be it the evening. I think we'll see pretty much clear sunny skies with only a few fair weather clouds throughout the day today. If you look at where the thunderstorms are across the nation, if you're traveling today, why, the northeastern corridor from the Delmarva on up into the tri-state region look all just fine. A little bit windy, and there will be some scattered showers around, but as far as any kind of thunderstorm impact goes, no, it's not going to happen there. The northern tier states have the biggest chance of seeing some inclement weather today. And the southern tip of the state of Florida might see a few scattered thunderstorms, but for us, we stay dry. We stay dry, we stay sunny, and we stay warm as well, no doubt about that. The RPM shows a few scattered showers down to the south, maybe a thunderstorm or two, but all very benign, non-severe kinds of storms. I think we'll probably see a better chance of some of those storms returning as we head into Thursday, Friday. By then, we'll start to see that high-pressure ridge perhaps move a little further eastward, and our winds shift from northeast to southeast. That will be as Jose continues to lift northward and begin to dissipate. This frontal boundary will approach and eventually start to absorb Jose as it does kind of a circle out here in the Atlantic. High pressure builds in, and as it does that, our winds are directed out of the northeast. That's a dry wind for us, and we stay dry and sunny today and warm as well. Those are the weather highlights that carry you through today and through tomorrow, it looks like. So we still have two storms that we're concerned with. Jose, of course, is a Category 1 storm now, giving parts of the northeast a little bit of an issue with rain showers, but particularly some gusty winds right along the immediate coastline, and especially the further north you go up into coastal Massachusetts. Plus, you're seeing some higher surf, and you're seeing some rip currents and coastal erosion, that sort of thing. But it could have been much worse, certainly. This storm, Jose, forecast to stay off the American coastline. And then there's Maria. Now a Category 5 storm, 160-mile-an-hour winds. It regained intensity after moving over Dominique and is on a line that should take it very close to Puerto Rico as at least a Category 4 storm, possibly even retaining major storm characteristics. We'll be watching over the weekend as it begins its turn north on a present forecast track and computer model simulations. It stays away from the state of Florida and, in fact, out in open waters of the Atlantic, so that would be a great thing. Forecast for us calls for a nice day on the waters with winds subsiding a bit in the afternoon, north at about 15, becoming north at about 10. A little later on, that'll bring you a moderate chop. And the forecast calls for warm temperatures through the period and increasing chances of rainfall, especially on the first day of fall, which is going to occur on Friday.